It's a new home. It's a new big home. Come on, girls, huh? You okay, ladies? And then they got their little hideaway over here. Oops, in there. Y'all digging little holes, girls? Good girls. We got our predator barrier. And then there's their nesting area, a roosting bar. Come on, focus you. There we go. Where they go in and out right down yonder here. Here they come. Here they come. I'm with girls. And then, what do y'all think? Should we put KFC on the outside? Just kidding. I'm just going to put Mama's Nuggets. So this is my little lady's house. Hang on, girls. We got great locks here. Oh, they want to come out. There they are. Just showing how your bar works and everything. We'll start letting you out here soon. You guys got to get used to your new home first. You're okay. You guys are okay. You'll be alright. Stay there. Y'all are you guys smell so much better in here. Good stuff, huh, baby sweets, huh? I gotta fix this right here. This isn't looking good. That's something I gotta fix right here. It's all bowed out. Make sure nobody can come in and mess with them. Looks like they slept in the corner over there. It smells good in here, ladies. What you doing down there? What you doing down there? You're okay. Ow! Don't poke me. You're okay. Y'all are good birds. Y'all are good birds. I'd let them out right now, but I had a bit of an accident last night, so yeah. So this is the cool coop. Cool coop. Good size potato bed. And then we've got the other coop over here, which is for our other birds when they come out of the garage. So they can get used to it. Once everybody gets together, we'll make sure everybody can commingle outside. And then we might turn the other one here into a goat's den. Who knows? We shall see. The garden's really doing good. I don't think you can see from here. Everything is growing absolutely amazing. Beans, green peppers, banana peppers, cayenne peppers. Oh, sorry, doves. The doves were just in the garden. Sorry, I just scared them. We got collards planted. Banana pepper. Sorry, doves. I didn't mean to scare y'all. Got collards. And we've got, back there is all snap beans. All beans. All beans. Got a lot coming back in. I just pulled one off. Oop. Got more peppers coming in. Oop. More peppers. Lots more coming in. Oh, ladybugs. Ooh, y'all got to see the other video on the ladybugs. This snapped. I was so sad. I had a random squirrel coming in here doing random things. So everything's growing beautifully. And collards. Collards. Love my collards, y'all. I love my collards. Yeah, I love my collards. No way! Oh. They took a collard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those dirty rats. When that squirrel comes back around, he's a dead squirrel. He's going to be on the menu. I'm going to catch that squirrel. He's a dead squirrel. Ate one of my collards. I'm going to have a dead squirrel, y'all. I'll show you when I shoot him. Oh, there's some beans. Let's see, is this big enough? No, we got to let it go. Oh, they're still going. Good. Just checking for anything that needs to be pulled. I came in and picked up a couple pockets full. Oh, there's one. There we go. That one can go. There we go. Missed it. See? The glory of having a garden, y'all. You gotta rely on nothing but your own self. So anyways, where are you, squirrel? You're a dead squirrel when I find you. Only problem I've been having, aside from that squirrel, is the deer who keep eating my snap beans. My peas. Snap peas. I might get one, because it's coming back in if they don't come back around and try to eat it. Yep, pesky deer. Tastes good when they're in the freezer. So, there you go. There's the garden. Oh, another bean. Oh yeah, baby. There's a whole bunch more down here. I didn't even... Oh, thank you, Lord. Look at that. Huh? We'll let this go a little longer. No. Oh, there's another big one. Oh, man. Get out of my ear, mutt. Oh, little gnat in my ear. Or it's a skeeter. Got lots growing in there. Woohoo! I must have missed these the other day. Woohoo! Good deal. Oh, quit biting me. So this is my accident. Yeah. Super glue. Those are my stitches. Got some cayennes while we're down here. These are looking pretty good. They're starting to turn, see? Let them turn a little bit more. Those are going to be nice hot peppers there. My compost pile. My compost bucket. I hear that squirrel.